So hi all, good morning. This is Gautam from Assistant Professor in a Department of Mechanical Engineering at SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see about the topic of in overview of mechanical engineer as a basic engineer of mechanical. First we are going to see about the topic of foundry. Foundry is nothing but consist of casting, pattern, molding, and pattern types and classification types, etc. So first one is we got to see is what is casting. Casting is a process for making components by computing pouring molten metal in a cavity and allow to solidify. To solidify the metal is called casting. Second one is pattern. Pattern is the model of the record casting. The mold is nothing but is a cavity or the record shape made in by molten sand. Then followed by classification of patterns. Like patterns are classified into size, shape, number of parts to be produced, and the method of castings. Then followed by types of patterns, which is consist of solid pattern, single piece pattern. Then will split pattern. Then followed by loose piece pattern. Then match plate pattern. Then sweep pattern, scuttle pattern, segmental pattern, shell pattern, etc. So first one is single piece pattern is nothing but exact shape is obtained. That's it. Second one is split pattern, which is consist of made two levels. Example, upper pattern and lower pattern. A line separating is called a pattern line. Then loose piece pattern is after making a mold, solid piece removed and loose piece can be removed. Then followed by match plate pattern, which is comes under the runner and gates are required because we need to match that plate and used in a machine molding and large volume. Sweep pattern is nothing but surface like cylinder, cone, spheres. These patterns are used. And skeleton pattern is nothing but it's a large size pattern like from top to bottom is a big size and used to some like water pipes, turbines, blower, etc. And segmental pattern is consist of circular parts like rings, wheels, rims are produced by using segmental pattern. So next is comes under the pattern materials. The materials used for pattern making like a wood, teak, white, paint, etc. Metals can comes under the iron metal, steel metal, brass metal, aluminum metal, etc. Plastics and wax. In wood, some advantages are there like lightweight, cheap, easily available, repairs were easily made. Some disadvantages also there like absorbs water, high wear and tear, not used for mass production and machines molding. In metal, used for mass production can be used in machine molding. Advantages like lifelong used for mass production, etc. Disadvantage is also called which comes under the costly, and also easily not repaired. Then plasters maybe comes under the cement. Difficult shapes can be made easily, not affected by moisture and used for some small patterns. So here comes under the pattern allowance. Here the extra size given to the pattern is called pattern allowance. Like various allowance are sinkage allowance, machining allowance, draft allowance, taper allowance, disturb allowance, and shaking allowance, etc. So here the some procedures for making a green sand molding like a two-piece split pattern. The pattern is placed at the one center of the molding board. Then drag box is placed around the pattern. Then followed by double pin are connected to the box. Then followed by 20 layer of facing sand is first placed around the pattern and then drag is filled with the green sand. Then followed by sufficient ramming is done by using the rammer and add sand if necessary to tighten. Then followed by excess sand is removed by strip or bar. Vent holes are made by vent wire to escape the gases during the pouring of metal. Then followed by next step, the top surface is made smooth by trowel. Then the track is little titled ups and down in the particular area. The part sand is sprinkled over the drag box. The top half of the pattern is placed correctly in the position. So these are all the some procedure to follow the casting process to find out the to manufacturing one product whatever we require. So next one is cope box is placed cope box is placed correctly in the position and drag using double pins. Next one is riser pin and spur pins are correctly placed in the required position. Then followed by filling and ramming and venting of the sand are done similar to the drag. Then spur and riser pins are removed too accordingly. The pattern is removed from the box slowly. A gate is cut on. Exam duty. Then followed by patterns is removed from the box slowly. Then a gate is cut on the top surface of the drag. It should be exactly to the spur. Finally, the scope and the cope of the drag box are assembled. Weight is placed on the cap to prevent the cap from floating or lifting when the molten metal is poured. So this is the overall package of casting and molten metal. So we see in the next topic in the next class. Thank you.